Bake the best pizza you've ever made with the Mimiuo Tisserie and classic gas ovens. Safe, portable, and easy to use. Whether you're chilling in the backyard or out in the woods, it's time for pizza. With Mimiuo's portable and sleek design, just fold the legs out, connect to a propane tank, and you're good to go. The ovens are made of premium food-grade stainless steel, meant to last decades. The double-wall ceiling promises heat retention, and your pizza will cook at just the right temperature, while the ceramic stone plate creates a delicious crust. Each oven has its own built-in gas ignition that lights the flame with a push and a turn, and the oven temperature can be easily adjusted using the heat control dial. The Mimiuo Classic Gas Oven reaches 930 degrees Fahrenheit or 500 degrees Celsius in just 20 minutes, ready for its pie. The best part? Your pizza cooks in only 60 seconds. The Tisserie series features an innovative electric-powered auto-rotate stone plate. Simply turn on the switch, and you will get every pizza pops out cooked evenly without any hassle. Now everyone can enjoy the delicious pizza, crispy outside and fluffy inside. No matter you are cooking for your family or your friends, be the showstopper with the Mimiuo Pizza Ovens.